Hi there.
Hi there. Hi there.
Hi.
Hi. How's it going?
Hi. How's it going?
Hi. Bagaimana keadaannya?
I'm feeling a bit scared lately.
I'm a little bit scared because
Saya berasa agak takut kebelakangan ini.
Oh no, what's been scaring you?
That's what's been scaring me.
Oh tidak, apa yang menakutkan awak?
Well, I have a fear of heights.
So I have a fear of heights.
Baiklah, saya takut ketinggian.
It's understandable to feel scared of heights.
It's understandable.
Adalah difahami untuk berasa takut pada ketinggian.
I have to go on a tall Ferris wheel next week.
A Ferris wheel?
Oh.
Saya perlu menaiki roda feris yang tinggi minggu depan.
How about roller coasters?
What about the roller coasters?
Do they frighten you?
Do they frighten you?
Bagaimana pula dengan roller coaster? Adakah mereka menakutkan Anda?
Yeah, I'm terrified of roller coasters.
On the roller coaster.
Ya, saya takut dengan roller coaster.
What do you do when you're scared?
What do you do when you get scared?
Apa yang Anda lakukan apabila Anda takut?
I usually close my eyes and take deep breaths.
I close my eyes, I take a breath.
Saya biasanya menutup mata dan menarik nafas panjang.
Sometimes facing our fears can make us stronger.
Fear makes me stronger.
Kadang-kadang menghadapi ketakutan kita boleh menjadikan kita lebih kuat.
I know.
I know.
But it's still really scary for me.
But it was really scary.
Saya tahu, tetapi ia masih menakutkan saya.
Just take deep breaths and try distracting yourself.
Just take deep breath.
Hanya tarik nafas dalam-dalam dan cuba mengalih perhatian diri Anda.
Do you think everyone has something they're afraid of?
Everybody's afraid of something.
Adakah Anda fikir semua orang mempunyai sesuatu yang mereka takuti?
I think so.
I think so.
We can also go together if you'd like.
We can go together.
Saya rasa begitu. Kami juga boleh pergi bersama jika Anda mahu.
That would be great.
That would be great. Great.
Thanks for understanding.
Thanks for understanding.
Itu bagus. Terima kasih kerana memahami.
Of course.
Of course.
I'm here for you.
I'm here for you.
We can do this together.
We can do this together.
Sudah tentu. Saya di sini untuk awak. Kita boleh lakukan ini bersama-sama.
Now, let's repeat with us.
Fear.
Rasa takut.
Height.
Ketinggian.
Feel.
Rasa.
Next week.
Minggu depan.
Frighten.
Menakutkan.
Terrified.
Ketakutan.
Usually.
Selalunya.
Eyes.
Mata.
Deep.
Dalam.
Breaths.
Nafas.
Strong.
Kuat.
Still.
Masih.
Distract.
Mengalih perhatian.
Together.
Bersama-sama.
Great.
Hebat.
Of course.
Sudah tentu.